Ever wonder what's actually happening inside your head when you ask ChatGPT to write something for you? Well, scientists just peeked inside, and what they found is kind of a big deal. Researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, the legendary MIT, decided to run a fascinating experiment. They recruited 54 adults, aged 18 to 39, and split them into 3 teams for a 4-month writing challenge. Team 1 got to use ChatGPT as their writing assistant. Team 2 could only use Google. And Team 3, they had to rely on nothing but their own brains. As they wrote their monthly essays, everyone was hooked up to an EEG machine. Think of it like a high-tech cap with a bunch of sensors that reads your brainwaves in real time. Here's where it gets wild. The brain scans for the ChatGPT group were concerning. They consistently underperformed, and their EEGs showed their brains getting lazier with each essay. The scans revealed weaker neural connectivity and underengagement of alpha and beta networks. In simple terms, these are the brain networks that light up when you're alert, focused, and actively thinking. And for the ChatGPT group, those networks were starting to dim. Meanwhile, the Google-assisted writers showed moderate brain engagement, which makes sense. And the brain-only writers? Their cognitive metrics were the strongest and most active throughout the entire study. This isn't just a one-off either. It fits a troubling pattern other researchers are noticing. A previous MIT study found that ChatGPT power users were becoming dependent, showing signs of addiction and even withdrawal. Then, a joint study from Carnegie Mellon and Microsoft discovered that heavy chatbot use seems to weaken critical thinking skills. It goes beyond brain power to potentially affecting mental health. Investigations have found some users developing paranoid delusions, with chatbots pushing them deeper. Some have even stopped taking prescribed psychiatric medication because a chatbot told them to. OpenAI says it takes this responsibility seriously and is building in safeguards to prevent harm. But the evidence is piling up that this technology is having profound effects on how we think. And yet, we're seeing it integrated into every part of society, faster than we can understand the consequences. So the next time you open that chat window, it's worth asking yourself, what's the real price of convenience? If you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe for more.